welcome to our Live Good business presentation. This is the membership that pays. So we are not into selling of any products here. What we are promoting is a membership discount. So we meaning to say, we will be joining in a club membership that we could save a lot of money. So as I mentioned po, allow me to introduce to you, I'm Vilma Sabulao, a diamond leader here in Live Good. And my life before, okay, I'm an accountant for 13 years. Okay, naging empleyado po ako. I'm a solo mom of 5 kids. I have my twins. You can see, yan po ang aking bunso. I joined network marketing for the purpose na I want to bring them to college. Because you know, in the Philippines, the salary could not really, it's so hard to meet the expense and the income. It's so hard to budget. I know that a lot of parents could really resonate on what I'm saying. And because of that, I sprayed so hard, and true enough, I came to know network marketing. And for the past 18 years, no, I've been into 3 international companies. I've been one of the top achiever, including Live Good. And my life now, so I became the first woman to become diamond in Live Good and the 5th diamond in the Philippines. I'm the founder of LGSEI. So the LGSEI, this is our community, no? This is our community wherein we are here to help people, no? To raise faith-driven leaders. That is our mission. To raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar. Everybody who wants to win, who want to achieve success in life, this is the space for you. We are empowered by wellness. Those people who want to become healthy, welcome. This is a space for you. Wherein we are anchored in purpose. We want to be a blessing to many people, and we are equipped, no, to duplicate abundance across nations, not only in the Philippines but worldwide. So that is primarily the purpose why we have this community. So I'm a happy mom. I'm a grandmom, a coach, and a mentor. And how did I discover Live Good? Last 2023, 3 years ago, somebody introduced to me the powerful landing page, which I'm gonna be sharing to you in a short while. And you know, guys, during that time, I was into a situation, Coach Vic and I, and so with other leaders like Coach Noel Caparoso and Coach Charlene Caparoso, my top leaders in Cebu, we are in the same situation of planning to retire. You know, because in that company we worked for 10 years, and all of a sudden the owner sold it out, and the new management opted to close the Philippine market together with other 14 countries. And it gives us so much of difficulty to accept, but we are just distributors. And I make a decision that I want to stop network marketing. However, this particular morning, after the closure announcement, I've been praying to God, Lord, what should I do? And there was something, no, that urging me na I have to continue network marketing. And there were a lot of proposal coming from different companies inviting me to join in their company, because they know that my former company shut down already in the Philippines. And to cut the long story short, deep inside my heart also, I cannot imagine myself doing nothing, because I'm already used on what I'm doing, like sharing business, doing network marketing. Seems to be this industry is really my calling. Parang yun na po talaga yung calling ko. And then I prayed so hard, February 10 of 2023, allow me to share this to you. That sabi ko, Lord, kung meron kang isinarang pinto, may bintana kang bubuksan. And if you close this one door, you're gonna open another window. And for now, I want to claim your promise in Jeremiah 29:11. You said that, for I know the plans I have for you, the plans to prosper you and not to harm you. The plans to give you hope and a future. Kiniklaim ko to, Lord, ngayon. So allow me to sleep now, and give me your guidance. Direct me where am I going to do what am I going to do. And then, true enough, God, allow me to rest. After 3 hours of sound and interrupted sleep, and I woke up, I saw this powerful landing page. Hindi ko pa po natatapos yun. Okay? It's in the middle way. ang bilis na po ng heartbeat ng heart ko na alam mo yun, sabi ko nga po dun sa upline ko, na in love ako sa unang time na nakita ko po yung Live Good. That's the honest expression I had. And that kind of emotions never change for more than 3 years. Despite of many circumstances, still my belief become more unshakable, especially at this point in time. And guys, no, before I proceed into my presentation, I would like to share to you this landing page that changed my perspective, being a bit melancholic type of person, that I have to go analyze. We are accountants and we are used to make analysis first before jumping into a new company. And it's a very, very first time that I joined just the mere landing page alone. No explanation, no presentation, and I said yes, and I signed up right away from that very, very landing page. And it's my honor. I would like to share to you this less than 6 minutes video presentation held by our no other than CEO, Sir Ben Glinsky. So Jasmine, kindly take it away. So guys, kindly watch this video. Yes, anak. Andiyan ka? Yes. Okay, thank you.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, We give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix, and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Okay. So, grabe palakpakan naman po natin ang ating pong napakagaling po na CEO. So, guys, wait. Allow me to share screen again. Share screen po ulit tayo. Nawala po, no? So, can we please give our CEO, our powerful landing page? Yan pong landing page na yan, sobrang andami na po yung nag-join. Panseeing that, tama ba, Coach Vic? So, can you please give our CEO a heart emoji? Kasi talaga nung nakita ko po yan, I really fall in love right away. And then that leads me to hundreds of yes. Okay. So, that's it, no? So, parang yan pa lang, no? Yan pa lang pong powerful landing page. Can you imagine that? For an amount of $49.95, you already have the all done for you, the done for you marketing system. Na you have a business at the tip of your finger, at the comfort of your home, open in 200 plus countries. Doon po talaga kinilig po ako. And then, you just imagine the products that are given to you at almost factory price. So those are the key factors that I've seen it. But when I attended the Zoom presentations, I become more enthused and more excited. Doon ko po naintindihan yung compensation plan, especially the things that I'm going to explain to you deeper as we continue. Excited na po ba tayo? Can we please put excited dyan po sa ating pong chat box if you are really excited. So guys, okay. Because of Live Good, you know what? I regain my health and my energy. I'm really so proud to tell to people na I'm turning 60 by next year. Hindi ko nga ma-imagine na magsasaysinta na pala ako. Mag-senior citizen na pala di ay ko ni. Okay, so grabe po talaga. Tapos kanina, shout out po. Meron po akong kausap from Australia. I don't know what really happens. May nangyari lang, siguro hindi nakapasok. Nirereto niya ako ng Australiano. Tawa ako ng tawa. Sabi ko, talaga bang may asim pa to? So anyway, so it's just for fun. So I built a smart income with purpose. Yung po yung nakakatuwa doon na we are building this business na hindi lang po talaga pera lang, no? Meron po tayong purpose na nagiging blessing pa po tayo sa buhay ng maraming tao. I help others grow and rise. Ang sarap po no na ang dami po tayong mga taong nabiblessed. And you can also be happy like that. Tama ba, Coach Vic? Yung mga nakasama mo na gumamit ng product, Coach Lilia, na sobrang nagpapasalamat sila sa'yo na because of the product you shared to them, nakatulong ito sa kanilang kalusugan, and how much more those people that you share the opportunity na it helped them, di ba? Make a good income, a good form of living. So I develop a stronger leadership, yes. Mas tumibay at tumatag po tayo, praise God. And I live with peace, passion, and direction. And praise God and thank you for Live Good. So not so much about me. Now let's go to the second part, and this is the most exciting part. I know that a lot of us is network marketing, hindi na po tayo sanay, hindi na po tayo baguhan dyan. Alam po natin kung ano po ang network. But before I go into that, I'm gonna ask you, kilala po natin ang Netflix. We all know Netflix, that majority ng mga household, they have Netflix. So let me ask you this. So what if Netflix started with an affiliate program? So what do we know about affiliate program? So this is a scenario wherein we refer a friend and we get paid. Okay? Magre-refer ka ng kaibigan mo, babayaran po tayo, and we're gonna earn monthly bonuses from the people who join us as members. And apparently right now, Netflix already have 302 million members. That's the total population po of Netflix. Napakadami po, no? And this is the reason behind why Netflix is slowly killing the market of the blockbuster movie. Napansin niyo po ba yon? Ako last year, November, nanood po ako ng movie, no? You know what I noticed? Iilan lang kami sa loob ng sinihan. And I know majority of you, hindi na po kayo nanonood ng sinihan. Tama ba, Coach Vic? Sa kwarto na lang. So may advantages, then may disadvantage kasi minsan napupuyat po tayo. And then minsan, malaki din po ang kuryente. So, but nevertheless, that is the change. That is the evolution that happens, no? And aside from Netflix, okay, there are a lot of companies like YouTube, Amazon Prime, Sam's Club, Costco, Disney, Zooms, Spotify, and a lot more na even without us knowing it, na subscription pala yon, like the kuryente, like the SIM card, di ba, the water bills, and even yung mga bahay na nirerentahan, that is a family of subscription. Because the moment na hindi tayo magbayad ng ating mga monthly dues, ng ating mga monthly bills, tigok. Hindi natin magkakaroon na ng access ko whatever platform it is. Are you with me? So, but most likely, those popular membership na alam po nating subscription, these are the things that I mentioned to you in front of us. And majority of this, we have two options. Either we pay on a monthly basis or we pay on a yearly basis. At kung magbayad po tayo ng annual, nakakatipid po tayo ng 2 months. That's the pattern. And kung titingnan po natin itong mga nasa screen, it has already millions of members. Like YouTube Pro, it has 125 million members. Ang sinasabi pong YouTube Pro, ito po yung mga nagbabayad. Hindi po kasama doon yung mga libre, kagaya po sa atin. Ako, libre lang po ang YouTube ko, hindi naman po ako nagsusubscribe. And then yung Amazon, alam nyo ba, ang Amazon is nasa 300 plus million na po yun. Yung 200 million, these are the Prime members, and so on and so forth. So, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Na ito pong mga popular membership, it's really a booming industry. Ang dami na pong mga nag-join dyan, so hindi na po tayo nasa trial and error stage. Kasi it's really an industry na pinapatronize na po ng mga tao. Hello? People believe on that. And without us knowing it, subscription really exists. Like yung sinabi ko po sa inyo kanina, kuryente, tubig, mga house rentals, hindi lang po tayo aware na subscription pala yon. But it's a family. Para siyang kapatid, or sabihin na lang natin, pinsan siya ng subscription. Nagkaintindihan po, no? Iba lang po yung terms. Ngayon, ito pong mga popular membership that we mentioned like YouTube Pro, Netflix, Costco, and so on and so forth, these are the membership that don't pay. However, Live Good, the revolutionary company, the game changer, the disruptor in this industry, came up with a club membership program wherein once we become a member, we're gonna save a lot of money because once we become a member, we will be able to buy the products at near factory price. And if we refer a friend to join Live Good, we're gonna be paid by the company. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. And now, who is Live Good? Sino po ba itong company na to? This is the membership that pays. So we are the game changer. Tayo po yung kauna-unahan in a history of history na meron pong klaseng membership na binabayaran balik. Kasi dati, kagaya po ng mga popular one na yan like Netflix, babayad lang tayo at makakapanood po tayo ng libre na nasa bahay ka lang, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng sinihan. The same story, okay, magkaiba lang ng setting. Kasi sa Netflix, nasa kwarto ka or maybe nasa sala ka. So hindi ka na mamamasahe, hindi ka na makikipagsiksikan. And mamipili ka kung anong gusto mo. So that is the convenience. And in Live Good, we have the convenience that we're gonna be paying the products at almost factory price, and we call it revolutionary company. Later on, I'm gonna show you why Live Good has been called as a revolutionary company. It's also called as a disruptor in the industry in a sense na tayo po yung kauna-unahang kumpanya na na network marketing scheme na inadapt niya po yung ganitong method, subscription that generates income. So that's yun po ang tawag po sa atin. And Live Good is called to be a revolutionary company kasi ito po yung kumpanya na tinanggal po ang lahat ng pahirap sa network marketing traditional. Ulitin ko po, no? Para dun sa mga tao na ayaw po ng network marketing, this is the opportunity really for you. Dahil lahat po ng mga pahirap like yung quota, auto-ship, points monitoring, forced buying a product kahit hindi mo kailangan, obligado kang bumili kasi kailangan may quota kayo. No more overpricing of products. Imagine mo yung produkto rito, mabibili na natin at a very far price than the traditional pricing in network marketing. So, and because of this, Live Good has been called to be a revolutionary company. Can we give Live Good a round of applause? Palakpakan niyo po yun, ano? Kasi sa akin po, yun po talaga yung nakapagpayes sa akin at the moment na nakita ko po yung opportunity. So Live Good is the membership that pays, wherein we're gonna stay healthy with highly affordable and match quality supplements at a wholesale price. Alam nyo guys, kung nakapasok lang po sana yung newfound friend ko just now, grabe po ang ginawa niya. She's already a millionaire in Australia, but her story is very amazing because alam mo yun, yung naka-wheelchair na siya, all the arthritis, the eczema, the skin asthma, and everything, natulungan po because of Live Good. So that's the good thing, no? That the product, it really speaks itself. So we're gonna stay healthy at a very highly affordable product and match quality supplements at wholesale price. And we have this full funnel marketing system, tools, and training. Imagine mo with that amount, our CEO mentioned that we have this complete marketing tools, and it's part of the benefits, no? The newly launched company, we are the pioneer. We have the simple power lucrative pay plan we will be discussing later on, and home-based business open in 200 plus countries. Can you imagine the power of this business? We are in this Zoom. We are scattered in different parts of the world. Someone in Australia, some UK, somebody in Cebu, somebody in Manila, Antipolo, in France. Ang dami, nasa Bisaya, iba-iba po tayong lugar. And we are in this Zoom. So palakpakan po natin ang innovations. Grabe, no? So yun po yung kagandahan na magagawa po natin yung business even at the comfort of our home. So now, Live Good was launched 3 years ago, December 13 of 2022, with its wholesale membership club. So the membership is basically the main products of this company. And I want you to look back a little bit of history. Live Good was inspired by the story of Amazon. And I know that you know Amazon. It started 1995 of July. So it opened with online bookseller. After 5 years, they expanded their product lines into books, videos, clothing, music, electronics, toys, kitchenware, even magazine subscriptions, and so on and so forth. And Amazon, just for you to know, is one of the largest online store in the planet. And right now, Amazon, we know it has 300 plus million members, and it created 300 plus billions in dollars, no, of sales. Palakpakan po natin si Amazon, ano. And because of the story of Amazon, Live Good was inspired into that, and Live Good was created. So our company, okay, as I mentioned to you, the membership is the major products of our company. Now, we are not a wellness company, okay? We just started with wellness products. And we have already launched skincare. We have that. And we will be opening soon with household products like toothpaste and so on and so forth. Soon, we'll be having the fundraising, the pets. The pets products are already existing. Gonna be having travels, finance, solar, crypto, AI, just name a few and a lot more. So, para po tayong magiging one-stop online store ang Live Good. So, a round of applause for this company. So, Live Good, it is the next Amazon of the social marketing. So, we are not just a health and a wellness company. So, the membership is the product that we promote. Tandaan po natin yan, ano? What we are offering to people is the membership. Hindi po tayo doon nandito para magbenta po ng multivitamins, magbenta po ng D3K2. We are encouraging people to join in a membership club so that these products, mabibili po natin ito at almost wholesale price. And that is basically the purpose why Live Good existed. And no buying and selling of unwanted products and services. Bibili ka lang po kung ano yung kailangan mo. Hindi po kagaya sa mga dati pong company na obligado kang bumili kahit hindi mo kailangan, kahit may stocks ka pa. Kaya ang nangyayari po, nag-i-expire. It happened to me also. Ang dami kong pera pong nawala, nasayang po dahil po dyan sa mga products po na nag-expired. So, your one-stop online wholesale superstore, and that is our company. That is Live Good. Okay? So, a round of applause on that. So, that's the background of our company. Now, what do I love more about Live Good? Bakit ko po minahal po itong company na to? Guys, it's my honor to introduce to you our corporate team. The founder of Live Good, our CEO, no other than Sir Ben Glinsky. So, sino po ba si Sir Ben Glinsky? What I know about him is he is already a philanthropist, a man na mayaman na po, no? Pero why he is so passionate about this? Because his intention was to help people win. And he has this over 20 years of experience in owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplement. So, he provide a lot, no? Nagsusupply din po siya ng mga supplement products in the other network marketing companies. And Sir Ben knows how to help people win. And by the way, he used to be a network marketer. And dahil po yumaman po siya, he came up also with his own network marketing the traditional way. Binenta niya po yun. Okay, binenta niyo po yung company na yun to Valentus, and he opted to retire in the network marketing industry. Plano na po niya mag-retire. But you know what? The calling is for him to lead talaga the network marketing industry, and that's why he invented the membership club that generates income. So a round of applause to this brilliant man. Oh, we salute you, Sir Ben Glinsky. You are always in our prayer. We love you. Sana marinig niya to, no? We love you so much, and we are really praying so hard for our company named Live Good. And of course, no, the success, no, the true leadership creates success. Do you believe that everything rise and fall on leadership? And guys, the people leading Live Good is somebody that I really honor and appreciate. And it's my honor to introduce to you our Director of Product Development, Dr. Ryan Goodkins. He is the one formulating all our products in Live Good. Okay? So siya po ang nagpo-formulate and make sure that the products we have are clean, nature, okay, organic. And of course, the wife, Ma'am Lesa Goodkins, she's the Director of Product Education. Every Monday, 1 o'clock in a Philippine time, or maybe 12 o'clock kasi nagbago po, no, winter season na po sa US. They have this product podcast or live product discussions. The purpose of that is to equip us that we will learn more further on how we're going to understand the benefits of products of Live Good and how it could associate or paano po natin yan mai-apply sa ating pong journey ng pagpapaka-healthy. They are so intentional, they are so genuine to educate the Live Good members na nandito tayo hindi lang para bumili. Tinuturuan po tayo the true value of becoming healthy. Nakikita nyo naman po yung kanilang katawan. Grabe po, no? So, and of course, no, the Director of Field Development, no other than Sir Nodar Kasan. He's the one in charge on the network marketing side. You know what, guys? I've been in the network marketing industry for 18 years. And ngayon lang po ako nakakita ng ganito pong klaseng management that they are totally hands-on. Tama ba, Coach Vic? They are very visible. Every Friday, we have this Fire Starter Friday. Every Monday, nandito yung couple. Meron pa kaming Thursday cut-off. Na parang talagang sasabihan ka, i-activate mo na yung account mo. Ipa-follow up ka pa. So, their leadership is undeniably great. Talagang they are walking the talk. So can we please give our corporate owners the round of applause? Okay? Mahirap po yan hanapin sa isa pong company. Everything rise and fall on leadership. And round of applause to these wonderful people. So our mission, is it okay na we're gonna read this in silent po, no? What is the mission of Live Good? So to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So this is basically the reason why I really fall in love of Live Good, because I could say that I'm a wellness enthusiast. I've been in the supplement industry for 18 years. Talagang ang laman po ng aking mga system is talagang food supplement. I cannot live a day without food supplement and without Live Good products. So the purpose here is for us to be a channel of blessing, to be an educator to people, to teach them, to educate them on how to become healthy. And what we are teaching them are products, no, na talagang of high value given at nearest factory price, na hindi po kailangan maging butas ang ating bulsa. We won't be bankrupt buying the supplements because this is given to us at near factory price. And it says here, no, it's time to make a change. It's time to make a change. That's why Live Good is a disruptor. Talagang a lot of companies are looking at us. Tinitingnan po nila, how come that the products we are offering is almost factory price? How does this company exist? Paano sila nabubuhay? Kasi ang alam po natin, yung mga products na binibili natin before, mahal. Tama po ba? Times 10 or times 20 po ng actual price, because doon po kinukuha yung mga pangbayad sa mga distributor, yung commission, yung rental ng office, yung operating expenses, and so on and so forth. Kaya tinawag po dito, it's time to make a change. And by the way, guys, change is the only word that is permanent in this world. Woohoo! Grabe, no? So, kaya kailangan mag-change po tayo. So, okay. So, ano pa ang sabi po ni Nodar Kasan, ang ating field development director? The days of selling overpriced products so a few people on top of the pay plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yung mga mamahaling produkto. At bakit po kayo sasali kay Live Good? 2 reasons. Number 1, for your health. Para makakuha po tayo ng mga top quality supplements at almost factory price. And number 2, if you want to have a smart income. Guys, can you please give me an answer? How many of you want to experience an extraordinary income in Live Good? Ilan po dito sa atin yung gusto po talaga niyo ng parang extraordinary income? Grabe, alam po ninyo yon ano, na talagang kakaiba. So we gonna sure earn and help other people live better na habang ginagawa mo yung success story mo. So that's the purpose why we gonna join Live Good. Okay? So now, let me share to you the products of Live Good. So we have already more than 50 product lines in the website. These are all made in USA. Okay? Alam naman po natin, no, pag sinabi pong USA, stateside. Quality. Tapos, these are certified by GMP. Katiwa-tiwala po ito kasi pag ang produkto nyo po inapprove po ng good manufacturing practices, pumasa po ito sa scrutiny ng matindi pong pagsususi na talagang hinimay-himay yung mga components po niyan. And these are all USDA approved. Ibig sabihin, United States Department of Agriculture, the certification that testify that the products are organic. Grabe, no? So, hindi po siya harmful sa ating pong body system kasi yung iniinom po natin, no, hindi po siya synthetic. So, laboratory tested for its purity and potency. It's very, very important. You buy only the product that you need. No purchase is necessary. Wala, hindi po tayo obligado. And bonus po, no, 100% money back guarantee. Meaning to say, in 90 day, pag wala pong resultang ginawa sa inyo ang product, ang Live Good, pwede nyong ibalik, no questions asked, and the money will be refunded to you. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Ngayon, ang question is, paano po tayo mag-o-order ng product? You have two options. Either you purchase as a consumer or you be a member. So, syempre, pag consumer, mababa kasi almost factory price po ang ating baseline. And then, syempre, pag member ka, mas mura. Di ba? Mas mura po yon. Now, question is, paano po tayo dito maging member? As I mentioned kanina, there are two types of people who gonna be joining Live Good. Number one, you want to become healthy. So kung gusto mo lamang po na magpaka-healthy ka, what you gonna do is just be a member. Meaning to say, magsasubscribes lang po tayo ng $9.95 and you can already buy the products at almost factory price. Okay? Siyempre, babayad po tayo ng $9.95, go to the person na nag-share po sa inyo ng sponsors link. I know that somebody introduced to you to Live Good. So go to that person, ask for the sponsors link, and then pay only $9.95 and pay that every month as your subscription fee. And then yung product may access na po kayo mabili at almost factory price. Nagkakaintindihan po tayo. So meaning to say, si Live Good pala is talagang kagaya lamang po ng Netflix, ng Zooms, ng Amazons, at marami pa pong iba, Spotify, na babayaran po natin yan on a monthly basis. Na pag hindi na po tayo bayad, mag-i-expire, hindi na tayo makakapanood ng Netflix kung Netflix man po yun. So the same thing po with Live Good. So meaning to say, you need to become a member para ma-avail nyo po yung product at almost factory price. That is why the requirement here is be a subscriber. Be a subscriber po na magbayad po kayo month after month after month. And I'll show you later on na sobrang value for money po pag tayo po ay mag-subscribe kay Live Good. Okay? So, what is the benefit once you become a member? Of course, no? You save up to 75%. Ang laki po ng matitipid po natin kung ikukumpara po natin ito sa mga ibang produkto po in the market. So later on, I'm gonna be showing to you examples. And the number two reason bakit po tayo sasali kay Live Good, number one is for us to become a healthy, mag-member po tayo, pay tayo ng $9.95. Ngayon, the second type of person that will join Live Good, these are the people who want to make a smart income. Bakit po siya smart? Because it's so affordable, it's so doable, it's highly duplicatable, di ba? It's so easy. Yun po yun. Yun ang pinakamaganda doon. It's so easy. Ngayon, ito ang tanong ko po, the second part. How many of you here want a smart income? And how many of you here would love to earn up to $2,000 or even more every month? Ilan po sa atin dito ang gusto nun? Can you please give me an answer on the chat box? How many of you here wants to have that kind of income? Sige nga po. Eleanor, wow, Coach Lilia. So yung iba po, how many of you here want to have that kind of income? So for those who are interested, please listen very carefully because this is really one of opportunity of a lifetime na nakita ko po. So you need to be an Live Good affiliates. So ibig sabihin, magkaiba po ang member at saka affiliate, no? So, yung affiliate is you are interested of earning extra money. So, pwede po kayong affiliate member. Okay? So, yon. Dito, how to become an affiliate member, simple lamang po. Go to the person who invited you at magbabayad po tayo ng one time. Can you please type the word one time? Okay, so yung akin pong reels nung the other day, kindly spread it out, no? Kasi it's only one time yung $40. And then, magbabayad na lang po tayo ng $9.95. If ever na deactivate tayo because napakalimutan mo or huminto tayo sa pag-subscribe, we pay only $9.95 because this $40 is only one time. Okay? So, the question is, how much, what are the benefits? Ano po yung kapalit, no, ng ating pong $40? So, we have this affiliation for life that never expires, okay? And we will be given the complete digital business suite. Alam niyo guys, no, sobrang I don't know how to describe this, no? Saan ka nakakita ng negosyo na $40, meron kang 4 na digital business suite? Meron kang replicated website. Sa dati naming company, every year, nagre-renew kami ni Coach Vic ng $25. Tama ba, Coach Vic? Hindi namin ma-open yung aming pong website pag hindi kami nagbayad ng $25 every year. Every year po yon. So, I've been there for 10 years. So, nag-renew po ako ng $250. Grabe, no? But with Live Good, it's only one time, $40. Meron ka ng powerful landing page. Meron ka ng replicated website. You have your own password and username, and you are the only one who have the access to check on the genealogy, the income. Everything is transparent and real-time in your back office. Hello. Number 3, you have the retail site store wherein you can sell the product in 200 plus countries. Who will deliver the products? It's the company. Hindi po tayo. The product will be delivered right at the doorsteps of your client. Anong ginawa mo? Binenta mo lang, ibinigay mo lang ang replicated retail site mo. And number 4, this is the number 1, being unused. Hindi po talaga ito nagagamit at hindi po natin na isi-share. This is the free health assessment report. And ISO it is one of the most powerful tool of Live Good. Yung retail, yung ating pong free health assessment report. What is that? I call it as parang digital check-up. There are 30 questionnaires. You answer it by your own. Okay po? Get the link from your upline. And then the 30 questionnaires are personalized. And then after you answer those completely, Dr. Ryan Goodkins will send back to you the advice on how you're gonna start your journey of becoming healthy. Sasabihin niya sa'yo, kailangan uminom ka ng tubig, kailangan matulog ka ng ganito, o kailangan uminom ka ng vitamin D3, K2, uminom ka ng ganito, supplements, supereds. Andun po yung advices. Sasabihin niya sa'yo kung ano yung kailangan mo. Can you please give our company a round of applause for having that amazing sites? Okay? And that is, kapalit po yan ng ating pong $40. And what else? We participate in the Complan and we have the multi-channel payout system. Imaginein mo, in 200 plus countries na nandoon si Live Good, yung ating income, pwede po nating i-set up dyan ang ating pong bank account. It can be a crypto, it can be an e-wallet, it can be a credit wallet. So whatever wallet you want, no? So that's the multi-payout system na meron po kay Live Good. And it's amazing. So itong $40 po natin, you have the option to pay it annual, no? Pwede pong, halimbawa, nagbayad kayo ng $40, upgrade ka lang to $99. Okay? Ngayon, kung parang ako nag-$50 muna ako, no? But in less than few days, nag-upgrade po ako to 1 year. Nagbayad lang ako ng $99.95. However, if you want to join and mas convenient po talaga ang mag-annual, I do encourage you go for the annual because you save 2 months. At masaklap po yung makalimutan mo, no, yung subscription mo tapos ang tao mo libo-libo na or maybe daan-daan na o kaya meron ka na diyan 10, kung ilan man yan, sayang po kasi mawawala po sila sa genealogy mo. Pero kung direct mo naman yun, okay lang kasi matching bonus mo pa rin, pero hindi mo na sila matrix. So mamaya maintindihan nyo po yung sinasabi ko. Okay, so price comparison. Tingin po tayo dito, no, for those who want to just use the product. Worth it ba na mag-member tayo ng $9.95 na makatipid lang tayo ng produkto? Yes. Because if you are going to compare this to other products in the market, don't you know that you save 75% or even higher? So kagaya po nitong Organifi, Super Greens is $19.95, but Organifi Athletic Greens, nakita nyo po yung difference. $69.99 for Organifi Athletic Greens, that's $99.99. And I know, pretty sure, no, nagtaas na din po ito mga products na to. So ang laki po ng ating pong masisave. Okay? So ngayon, punta naman po tayo doon sa retail, sa mga product ng Live Good, no? What about if member ka o kaya retail customer ka lang? Ang laki pa rin po ng savings because when we talk about multivitamins, the retail price of multivitamins is $19.95. And we are saving here $7. Okay? For one item alone. E paano kung si husband and wife umiinom po ng multivitamins? Magkano po ang natipid po ninyo? You save $14 already for multivitamins alone. Magkano ang binayad mo for monthly subscription? That's $9.95. But remember that, kung kayo po ay nag-affiliate member, that $9.95 could be an opportunity for you to also make an income. Not only to save on the product, but also the opportunity for you to generate income. That is why tinawag po si Live Good na the membership that pays. So not only the multivitamins, I'm gonna give you another example. Ito pong ating organic coffee. Imagine nyo po yan, ano? Organic coffee is $19.95. I'm using this every morning. Grabe po yan, napaka-organic po nito. Ang sarap po ng lasa. This is one of the best coffee in the planet, sabi po ng ating pong CEO. $34.95. So how much do we save? We save around $15. Okay po? And plant-based protein, we have here, we save around $10. So these are just few products na nakakatipid po tayo. So obviously, no, ang laking savings po pag tayo po ay nag-join po as member kay Live Good. Good or good? So now, punta na po tayo sa ating pong website. As mentioned, meron po tayong more than, how many? Meron po tayong more than 50 products in the back office. Imagine mo, marami po tayong pagpipilian. At medyo na left behind na po ako dyan kasi marami po akong products na hindi ko pa po na-order. And I'm so excited to order that. Ngayon guys, no, I want you to maximize your membership with Live Good. We have this generous. Alam nyo ba nung time na yun, nakakausap ko palagi nun si Sir Ben Glinsky. I asked him if the international pack is just a promo. Meaning to say, it's just a promo for a short period of time. And when I came to know that it's lifetime, grabe po talaga ang sigaw ko noon, Coach Vic. Kasi talagang nagtanong ako, Sir, can I ask you, is the international pack promo for just a short period of time or is it lifetime? And he just simply answered lifetime. Grabe po yung hiyaw ko talaga noon. And imagine mo how valuable it is, no? Guys, ito po yung pinaka-good news po natin. Because international pack, we're gonna have these 6 powerful, amazing products, the top-selling products of Live Good, that we're gonna be buying this free shipping. Free shipping. Can you please type the word free shipping? And we will be paying this only for $99.95. 6,000 pesos. Meron ka ng 6 na amazing products na nakatipid ka. Kasi pag sasama-samahin mo po yan individually, compute nyo po. Ang laki po ng natipid nyo. And how much more if you're gonna buy this auto ship? Ako naka-auto ship ako. May dumarating na lang po sa akin buwan-buwan. Tama po ba mga coaches? So, I'm not going to explain to you all of this, pero sobrang ang ganda po, no? Itong multivitamins, isipin nyo na lang po, na pag umiinom ka niyan, yan po ay bioactive, complete multivitamins. Ibig sabihin, complete. Kukumplitihin niya yung kulang sa katawan po natin. Super greens, kung hindi ka pala kain ng gulay, abay mag-super greens po tayo. And then super reds, ito po yung parang tulong po ito sa cardiovascular problem. Because you know guys, one of the secret, no, killer. 32% based on data, global data na na-research ko po. The cause of death is heart attack. So, ganun ka-importante po yung puso po natin. And Super Reds is very good for cardiovascular protection, proper blood circulation, and even sexual support, brain and cognitive function. And we have also this D3K2. Pag wala kang sunlight, alam mo, marupok ang buto mo. Magiging sickly po tayo, yung ating immune system. But D3K2 is a sunlight in a bottle. All these products are so amazing. And allow me to share to you the top-selling product talaga of all time ni Live Good. Number 1 is Factor 4. At ang pumapangalawa po is magnesium. Ito pong Factor 4 is the top-selling product of Live Good. This is one of our best-selling worldwide because ang Factor 4 po is designed to support. Where is my Factor 4? It is designed to support our healthy heart support joint and organ health, promotes immune health, it support healthy circulation. So lahat po na may mga problema po na mga aray-araytis, okay, yung mga itis-itis, arthritis, rheuma, gout, or any other inflammatory related problems, this is so powerful because this is 4-in-1. Ano pong meron dito? It has CoQ10, it has garlic, turmeric, and also fish oil. And it's a first time combination of these 4 amazing products. And in today's lifestyle, andyan po yung stress, at yung inflammation, hindi po yan mawawala. It's a very, very common problem. And these products will help our body recover, help our body protect and perform better daily. Ako po, there was a moment na parang 3 weeks po akong hindi nakainom nito. At nung nagkakain po ako pa ng pistachio, ang dami pa ako nakain ng mga nuts, maniwala po kayo, masakit pala ang arthritis. Kasi naramdaman ko po talaga ang sakit sa tuhod. And I cannot live a day without this Factor 4. So this is so powerful. Ang dami pong nagkakagusto po nito at paulit-ulit bumibili po ng Factor 4. And of course, the other products po natin na top selling also, this is nothing but magnesium. So what is magnesium? Ito po ay powerful, essential, pero hindi po ito, na-overlook ito ng marami. But you know what? Lahat po ng mga nadadala po sa ospital, ang unang pinaiinom po ng doktor, don't you know? It's magnesium. Kasi ang magnesium po, maliban po sa bibigyan po tayo ng better sleep quality, okay? Ako yan po yung na-experience ko, yung sound, restful, uninterrupted sleep. Yung you gonna sleep like a baby. So, meron po itong 300 bioenzymes, no? So, na kung saan napaka-importante po niyan sa ating pong katawan na maliksi ka, malakas ka, may energy ka, di ba? And yung muscle relaxation, yung heart health, yung stress reduction. So, ibibigay po sa atin yan ng ating pong products na magnesium. So, palakpakan po natin. Kasi alam niyo sa totoo lang, even this magnesium, marami pong tao na deficient sa magnesium. Hindi po nila alam yon that they are deficient in magnesium. At tayo bilang taga-spread out ng good news, yun po yung obligasyon po natin to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Because this magnesium, it has the what is this? How do I see this? No, it's just it's not just about correcting the deficiency. It will improve your energy, it will improve your mood, your focus, at makakatulong din po ito sa ating pong overall well-being. So, a round of applause for all the products of Live Good. Just name a few. Okay, ito pong 6 lang po na to, pero we can get this amazing products only for $99.95. Pero alam nyo ako, yung favorite na dinadagdag ko, Coach Vic, add-on ko lang, no? bumibili po ako ng may aminos at nag-a-add-on po ako ng coffee. Kasi yung coffee parang $15 na lang. Because aminos is very good sa ating po ng mga nagkakaedad because it will protect the lean muscle mass. Na para tumanda po tayo, hindi po naglalaylayan at nagsasag ang ating pong skin. So yun, i-flinag ko lang po si aminos because I really love aminos and I really also love the organic coffee. Alam ko si Coach Vic, isa sa paborito niya is yung amplifier hydration. Parang gusto ko nang bumili noon kung how does it feel, ano? So nainggit ako doon sa pinost ni Coach Vic, okay? So I gonna buy that one. So can we please give Live Good a round of applause? Nagustuhan po ba natin yung mga products po natin? Yes, palakpakan po natin. Okay. So basahin ko lamang po ito, no? Few testimony lang po. Sabi po ni Lilinel, the factor for advanced formula effective for me because the cyst on my armpit is gone. It's amazing and I couldn't believe it's true. Actually, isa lang po ito sa mga testimony. Okay po? So, since I started ako siguro ang i-share ko na lamang po is yung anak ko na nagkaroon po siya ng rheumatic heart disease, nagkaroon po siya ng severe mitral stenosis. At ang suggestion po sa kanya talaga ng doktor is to undergo balonoscopy or heart surgery. Natakot yung anak ko. So, nag-organic na lang po siya. At isa sa mga ininom po niya is Live Good products, do exercise, good food, tamang tulog. Maniwala po kayo, yung heart condition niya ngayon ay nasa normal rate. Praise God, hallelujah. At yung mga products po ng Live Good, yun po yung iniinom po ng anak ko. At kami po sa pamilya, sa mga anak ko, kami po the entire family, even my siblings. So if I gonna be sharing to you all the testimonies, and it's good, no, na siguro later on we could have some sharing, di ba, kung ano po yung mga naitulong ng product po sa kanila. So kung ikikwento po namin sa inyo, ang dami. And I do suggest sa mga curious po na nakikinig dyan first time, you better go to www.livegood.com and then navigate nyo po yung products. You can see all the benefits as well as the reviews. Ito po yung mga testimonial ng mga tao po na nakinabang po sa kagandahan po ng ating pong products. Good or good? So now, punta na po tayo sa last part. Ito na po yung ating most exciting part. So in Live Good, are you excited? Nandito po na tayo sa last part. Okay. So can you please give me a $$ sign? Bigyan nyo naman po ako ng $$ sign dyan. Kasi pupunta na po tayo dito sa last na. Ang goal natin, yung mga products na binili natin, na in-explain po natin, hindi lang po natin to bibilhin. Okay? Gusto nyo ba ng libre? Libre. Kasi ako po, libre na po yung ipinambibili ko. Galing na po yan sa income ko, no? So, libre na. Tapos, meron ka pang sukli, no? Dollar. Ano pa yan, Coach Vic? Yen. So, ayan po, no? So, lahat ng mga sign, no? Money signs. So, 9 ways to earn in Live Good. Dalawa pong klase ng ating pong complan structure. We have the infinite wide 10 levels deep, meaning to say unlimited. You can enroll as many as people as you can. And then there are 7 ways on how we're gonna earn the infinite wide 10 levels deep. We have the weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses. We have free products, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. And then the first matrix, ito naman po yung 2 by 15 levels deep. Ito po yung strength po ng ating pong pay plan. It has the matching bonus as well as the matrix commission. Guys, no, ito pong ating pong dalawang klase po ng structure. Ganito ang itsura niya. Yung infinite wide, ikaw po yun nandyan sa taas. Meaning to say, infinite wide, you can enroll as many as you can. At meron pa rin po tayong pakinabang hanggang sa 10 levels deep. At ito naman pong matrix 2 by 15, ito naman po yung triangular structure. So meaning to say, you are on top here, and then you will always start with the 2 people you put in your left, the system will put on your left and on your right. And then after that, we're gonna duplicate it down the line. Magduduplicate po yan, wherein we're gonna teach the 2 to get 2 and repeat. So lahat tayo, just get our 2. Ito pong matrix na to, mabilis pong mapupuno. And yung matrix na yan, pag napuno, dyan po tayo nagkakaroon po ng tinatawag na passive income. Can you please put on the chat box passive income? Ano po yung passive income? Ito po yung minsan lang natin siyang i-build pero mapapakinabangan po natin siya long term. Okay? So, let me explain this deeper. So, again and again, the Infinite Wide, you can enroll as many people as you can, up to the 10 levels deep. And then the 2x15 matrix is, si system po ang naglalagay niyan at nagpupuno po niyan. Basta the secret, you want to know the secret, lahat po ng business meron pong secret. Hello? You want me to reveal the secret of Live Good? Hello? Can you please type reveal? Sabihin nyo nga po, reveal. If you want me to reveal the secret of Live Good.
Reveal.
Yeah. You know what is the secret? Guys, no? The secret is punuin natin ang matrix. Kasi pag pinuno natin ang matrix, that is where the passive income comes in. And that is the heart and soul of Live Good Business. Wherein, we're gonna be earning $2,000 potential up to $16,000 a month after month after month after month, month after month after month, if the matrix is malago. If the matrix is malusog. Kung ang ating pong matrix ay puno, siksik, liglig, umaapaw. So, and what is the best way for us to fill in that matrix? There should be a proper duplication. At yun po yung ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo ngayon. Are you ready? Ready na po ba tayo? Are you ready? And those 9 ways to earn, I'm not going to explain all of them. I'm gonna be explaining to you step by step. 4 lamang po. We have this weekly fast start bonus. Okay? Ibig sabihin lang po niyan, very self-explanatory. Babayaran po tayo ni Live Good linggo-linggo. Okay? I call it a now income or the active income. Number 2, we also have this matrix commission. What is matrix commission? This is the heart and soul. Yung sinabi ko po sa inyo kanina na dyan ko po i-reveal yung smart income po na meron po kay Live Good. And number 3 is the matching bonus and generational bonuses. Okay? I call it leadership bonus. The matrix commission, I call it as passive income. And then the last, which is the diamond bonus pool, this is the co-owner bonus. Binabayaran po tayo dyan ng 2% profit share ng income ng Live Good and divided equally among all the diamonds. So, 4 lamang po ang ating pong pag-uusapan. Simple lang po pero rock. I'm gonna be discussing to you this one briefly. So, weekly fast start, simple lamang po, no? This is our immediate income. Immediate income. Can you please type now income? So, meaning to say, every time you refer to someone, you earn fast start bonus. You earn the fast start commissions and you are paid on a weekly basis. So, this is the perfect income for those who want to see the quick results while building their business. Imaginein mo, nagbayad ka ng $50 and you want na mag-ROI ka kagad, bumalik agad yung puhunan mo. You just enroll 2 people, don't you know ROI ka na po? Because how much is the weekly fast start bonus? Here we go. So every time you enroll someone, the company will give you $25 bonus in every referral. No auto ship, no quota, no volume requirements, and that's pretty amazing, isn't it? So meaning to say, masipag ka, nag-enroll ka ng 10 tao, and meron kang $25 for each person, you're gonna be earning $250 referral income. Good or good? So ang cut-off po natin is every Friday, 3 o'clock, and the income will be posted into your account every Thursday night. Credit wallet po yun. Sa bangko, meron pong lead time, processing time. Pero ako po, I do suggest you put it in your credit wallet. And you can refer unlimited directs. You can enroll as many as you can. Get or get. So parang ganito lang yan. Ikaw to, enroll ka ng tao, 'di ba? Tuloy-tuloy, meron po kayong unlimited earnings. $25 and $25. But wait, there's more. Kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na ranking promotions. You will start as unranked, meron kang 50%. And then if you level up to bronze, 2 tao lang yan, meron kang additional 10% sa dinirect ng direct mo. Intindihan po, no? Silver, nag-rank up ka uli, naging 20 na ang total volume ng tao mo. May certain requirements, madadagdagan ka na naman ng 5% sa third and fourth level. Nadagdagan ka na naman uli, naging 100 na ang total team mo. Okay, you're gonna be earning additional 3% and 2% on the 5th and 6th level. So lumalaki po ang income po natin, lumalalim ang income natin habang tayo ay napopromote. And platinum, that's already 500 people. At ang gold po ay 100 total team. And platinum is 500 total team. So additional 2% and 1%. And the last but not the least is the diamond bonus pool. 2,500 total team, it's additional 1% on the 9th and 10th level. So guys, no, that's the uni-level bonus ng Live Good. So meaning to say, as you rank up, your uni-level goes deeper. Doon po natin nalileverage po ang ating pong business. Okay? So kahit sabihin po natin na 1% lang yan, don't you know that kung meron po kayong 1,000 sa baba, 2,000 sa baba, 10,000 sa baba. How much is the 1% of $50? Diba? That's 50 cents. So kung i-multiply mo yan ng how much? I-multiply nyo po yan ng 1,000, ng 2,000. That's a huge amount of money. And that's where the leverage is coming. So meaning to say, si Weekly Fast Start is the bonus that we get on the first time na bumayad po ng $50. Okay? And we will enjoy the income up to the 10th level or up to the 10th level depending upon on the rank that we have. So understood po ba ang Weekly Fast Start? So ganun lamang po siya ha. So ang itsura po niya parang ganito lang, no? Oh, 'di ba? Depende sa ranggo mo, para ka namumulot ng $5, $2.50, 50 cents, 50 cents. It's how it look like. You can screenshot this one para mas ma-figure out nyo. Okay. So that's the Weekly Fast Start. And now let's go to the Matrix Commission. Matrix Commission, I call this as the heart and soul of Live Good Business. We are placed in a 2x15 forced matrix na habang lumalaki po ang ating pong organization, okay, and there is a big possibility for spillover, especially yung upline mo. Halimbawa, kagaya sa akin, nag-enroll ako hindi lang 2. So, saan napunta yung pangatlo, pang-4, 5, 10, 50, 100, napunta po sa baba. Ganon yun no? Pero syempre, we are not teaching you na wala kang gagawin. But that is the possibility of the business. There is really a spillover na mangyayari. So now, I can call this also as a retirement income or a passive income, wherein the income continues to grow even you are no longer actively working. Okay? So, it's happening. Diba? Tama ba, Coach Vic? So now, allow me to show you this one. So lahat po ng mga tao na nagbabayad ng $9.95, di ba may $9.95 po tayo? 0.25 cents. 0.25 cents. Ibinabalik po sa atin yan ng company. Okay? So paano po nangyayari yon? So this is how it works. And that is why I gonna reveal to you right now the magic on how we gonna earn the passive income of $2,000 up to $16,000. So, here is the secret. When I talk about network marketing, guys, listen carefully, no? Ang natutunan ko po is network marketing is all about duplication. Duplication is the word, is a very vital, important word in network marketing. And everything duplicates, good or bad, right or wrong, positive, negative, nagdo-duplicates. And here, no, para maging healthy ang ating pong matrix, because this is where we earn talaga residual income, we have to observe good duplication. We have to observe passive duplication. We have to observe positive duplication. Are you with me? Hello? I-observe po natin yon. Ngayon, dito, ang mantra na itinuturo po sa atin ng ating pong mga upline is the magical power of 2. The power of 2 is very powerful because that is biblical. Adam and Eve, tayo. Nanay at tatay natin, tayo. So even this power of 2, the simple power of 2 is so simple, yet is so powerful. It's highly duplicatable. So the magic here is, turuan natin ang bawat isa na mag-enroll ng dalawa. Teach the 2. Okay po? I-silent mode lang po natin yung konsolasyon naman siya. Paki-mute nga po si Konsolasyon. Konsolasyon, can you please mute your microphone? God. Okay. So let me continue, no? Please maintain po your phone to be muted para hindi po tayo ma-distract. Okay, here it goes, no? The secret to fill in the matrix is proper duplication. And what we are teaching talaga, the simple yet powerful growth is the simple power of 2. Because I know na yung mag-enroll ng dalawa is highly attainable. Can you please type the word attainable? Kasi dalawa lang po yan. Taong gusto ng income, tao ng gusto ng product. And what you're gonna do next is teach this 2 to get 2. And repeat. Again, you get the additional batch of 2, you teach them again to get 2. And teach them to get 2. And repeat. So imaginein mo, yung mindset ng bawat isa is to enroll 2 and teach the 2 to get 2. And repeat. Diba? So kung lahat po tayo obligado, kung lahat tayo responsible enough to have our 2, because this is the secret on how we gonna fill in faster sa ating pong matrix. And you know why? Nandito po ang susi ng passive income. And how many of you want or love to make a residual income of $2,000 up to $16,000 a month? Can you please imagine how would my life look like if I gonna be earning that kind of income on a monthly basis? And how would be my family look like if I am earning that kind of income on a monthly basis? So come to think of it, kung ganito lang po kasimple yung business, bakit kailangan nating i-complicate? It's just a mission-driven purpose company to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. It's just as simple as that. Hanap lang tayo ng taong gustong magpaka-healthy. Hanap lang tayo ng taong gustong magpaka-healthy sa kanilang pangangatawan. Hanap lang tayo ng taong gustong magpaka-healthy sa kanilang bulsa. Kaya sabi ko po kanina ng aking introduction, ang dami pong nagdadasal. Nagdadasal na gustong maging healthy. Nagdadasal na mabigyan ng opportunity. But if there's an opportunity like this, as simple as Live Good, as low as $10, as easy as 2 people, nagda-doubt pa rin po tayo. So question is, siguro magtatanong na ang Lord, ano ba talaga gusto mo? Because for me, when I saw this matrix pay plan of Live Good, I just said na Ben Glinsky is just a brilliant man. He is such a brilliant man to come up with this kind of structure. Because if you are going to compute this, 50% to 80% of the $9.95 is given back to us. Nasa sa atin na lang po on how we gonna maximize it. So that's how simple it is. Just the simple power of 2. And because of this, no, I'm gonna show you how it works. If in your first level, you enroll 2 people, and you teach this 2 to enroll 2, syempre, hindi po ito overnight success. A lot of people failed in network marketing because they think it's an overnight success. No, guys. This is a skill-based business. Meaning to say, mag-aaral po tayo dito, especially on the form of communication, especially on our personal development, on our leadership skills, on paano lang tayo kumausap. Kaya minsan nahihirapan po tayong mag-enroll kasi we don't know what is the proper way to communicate people. paano po tayo mag-i-invite, paano po tayo magpapaliwanag ng value. So, nandoon po yung difficulty, nandoon po yung bottleneck. Kaya po, meron po tayong Soaring Eagles International, a community who will guide you the mindset, the skill sets, para maging confident po tayo to share the opportunity. And imagine this, pag tayo po ay naging confident na at naging skilled na po tayo, the 2 becomes 4. The 4 becomes 8, 16, 32, 64. This is where the duplication happens. And on the 13th level, since you are bronze, nag-enroll ka ng dalawa no? How much is the potential income of bronze? That is $4,095. Guys, that is 200 plus thousand pesos in the Philippines. And if say, we could only get 10% probability, 20,000 pesos is good enough pambayad ng bills, ng kuryente, ng pamalengke, sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. So what about 50% probability? It's still huge amount of money. So what about if inaral mo pa to become better and better until such time we become diamond? And how much is the potential income of diamond? $16,383. My Live Good family, this is the secret why I saw the probability of Live Good na grabe, this is a life-changing opportunity. And I hope na makita niyo po kung ano po yung mga nakita po namin dito. It's just so simple. Don't overthink. It's just the simple power of 2. You teach the 2 to get 2 and repeat. Until such time, makaka-build ka ng 5 mong generals, 5 leaders na gustong maging diamond. Because you know what? Not everybody naman talaga gustong maging diamond. May iba nagsasabi, yes, I want that, pero wish ko lang. Pero yung totoo, hindi talaga seryoso. I'm sorry to tell this because it's the truth. Marami pong nagsasabi na gusto ko. Pero when it comes to the opportunity na kailangan mo na talagang gawin, marami po sa atin nagda-doubt sa sarili po natin. So kahit nevertheless, no, I'm not saying you cannot be diamond. Everybody can be diamond. Pero that is our self-discretion. Sarili po natin yon. Now, out of those people na ini-enroll mo, you enroll 2 and teach the 2 to get 2. Some will not join, will not continue, pero some will continue. Are you with me? Because this is a people sorting people business. Until such time na makakuha ka ng power 5 mo. And doon ka na po magduduplicate ng malaki. So the structure is the simple power of 2. That's the starting point. Ngayon, question, gaano kabilis gawin po ito? This is the mantra na itinuturo po natin. You go for bronze in your first week or in your first month. You work it. Hindi pa na-edit to, no? You work it out. You duplicate it, you lead it, and maximize the matrix. Because guys, kung gagawin po natin ito, on a weekly basis ha. Okay, tingnan nyo to ha kung gaano kabilis. Week 1, sumali ka. Nag-enroll ka ng 2. Tapos yung 2 mo, yan din ang mantra natin. Friend, 2 agad in your first week. Gawin mo yan. Tapos yung ganun din yung kumpas, ganun yung mantra na nangyari. Down the line. Lahat on the first week. The mindset. Mindset is everything. Kumbaga yun yung mantra, yun yung kumbaga sa pagkain, para magkaroon tayo ng masarap na cake, kailangan yung consistency ng pagbibit is the same. The fire moderation is the same. The temperature is the same. So kumbaga meron po talaga siyang tinatawag po na structure or recipe or formula. Meron pong pattern, standard. So halimbawa po ganun ang nangyari po. Ito example po ito, no? Every one of us are getting 2 in our first week. This is just hypothetical. Alam niyo po, in a period of 15 weeks, and that is 3 months and 3 weeks, puno na po ang matrix. So meaning to say, there is a potential, nakikita na po tayo ng $2,000 up to $16,000 month after month after month. And that's how amazing the platform of Live Good. So palakpakan po natin ang Matrix Commission. Aren't you excited on that? Hello? So what about if hindi naging weekly? Naging 1 month na lang, di ba? Ano ulit ang ating pong mantra dito? Go for bronze in your first week on your first month. So kahit hindi weekly, sabihin na lang natin monthly, may 2 at naduduplicate po tayo 15 months, 1 year and 3 months. Mas mabilis po tayo sa nagdoctorate. Ang doctorate po ilang years? 8 years. Bago po tayo magdoktor. Si Livgood, kung imamaster po natin yung power of 2 and teach the 2 to get 2, there is a big possibility na magkaroon po tayo ng passive income. Hello? Life-changing po ba? Matching bonus. Ito naman po yung leadership bonus. It's just so simple. Lahat po ng matrix income ng direct mo, 50% aakyat po yan sa'yo. So, depende kung ilan po ang leaders na binild mo. Kumita siya ng 300, may 150 ka. Kumita siya ng 220, meron kang 110. That's how simple it is. And meron po tayong generational bonus na meaning to say, from first generation up to fifth generation, may additional pa po tayo na 10% up to second generation ng lahat ng silver, 5% up to third generation ng lahat ng gold, 5% ng lahat ng platinum, fourth generation, and 3% ng lahat ng diamond up to the fifth generation. Grabe po. Ito pong matching bonus, this is the main dish of the pay plan. So dito, this is the unlimited source of income. If you really want to make a huge amount of money, this is the unlimited. Kasi si matrix income, may ceiling. That is only up to $16,000. But you know what? In matching bonus, that is unlimited. Hello? Kasi pwede pong mag times 10 times 20, wala pong sukatan. Depende po sa dami po ng members, ng leaders na nabuild po sa inyo pong organization. So meaning to say, the matching bonuses is where the leadership is being rewarded. The more leaders you help others to succeed, the more bonus that you will receive. That's why, sikapin po natin na mag-rank up po tayo. Sikapin po natin na makapag-build tayo ng mga silver, ng mga gold, ng mga platinum, ng mga diamonds. Kasi pag nangyari po yon, nagkaroon tayo ng factory ng diamond, factory po ng platinum, factory ng mga gold, factory ng mga silver, maniwala po kayo, siksik, liglig, umaapaw po ang ating matching bonus. Understood? Woohoo! Grabe, no? So, example, may 10 kan direct, 100 ang kanilang income, magkano sa'yo? Meron po kayong $500. At pagpalagay natin, meron kang silver, 100 po sila, 100 ang income ng bawat silver, 10% ng $100 is $10, 100 nga sila, meron kang $1,000. Ganun lang po siya kasimple, no? Kung may 1,000 kang gold, 'di ba? Sa ibaba mo, hindi mo direct yun ha. Kumbaga, nasa ibaba mo lang yun. Kumikita ng $50, 5% sa'yo, $2.50, 2,500 yun. Ang laki po nito pag pinagsama-sama. So this is the main dish of the pay plan. Dito po talaga tayo bubusugin. So I hope na nakita niyo po yung opportunity. So meron lang po tayong papakita dito. This is not for everybody. Pero kung halimbawa nakikita nyo na, wow, this is amazing. Parang gusto kong kakaririn ko to. I just suggest na i-enroll mo yung family mo. But kung sa tingin mo hindi mo naman to gagawin, wag mo nang isama kasi magiging expense lang po sila sa'yo. Okay? So but if you want, nakita mo yung kagandahan po ng opportunity, i-share nyo po yung mahal nyo sa buhay kasi alam nyo, magkakatulungan po kayo dyan. Okay? Matutulungan mo sila, matutulungan ka din ng family mo. The potential income, if you bring your 2 of your family members, that's $10,000, that's 500,000 pesos. Most likely, potential income. And last but not the least is the diamond bonus pool. Napakasimple lang po ng diamond pool. Ito po yung income na 2% na paghahati-hatian po ng lahat ng diamond sa buong mundo. So kung ang income po ni Livgood ay nasa 15 million US dollar, 2% of that is $1 million. Kung mayroon pong 200 na diamonds, okay, depende po sa situation, ano, that is $5,000 profit share po ng mga diamonds. So crown diamond naman po, that is 0.5%. So we have 3 crown diamonds. Kung 50 million po, example lamang po ito, no? This is not the actual amount. Kung 0.5%, $250,000. Kung 3 ang crown diamond, 83,000 US dollar. Kung ganyang kalaki po ang crown diamond income, would you love to become a crown diamond? How many of you wants to become a crown diamond? Or how many of you wants to become diamond? Can you please type on the chat box? Please. Lagay niyo po at tapos na po tayo, no? Please type on the chat box how many of you wants to become diamond. So that's the pay plan, the amazing pay plan of Live Good. So kung first time po kayo dito, the first thing that you're gonna do is pre-enroll na po kayo. Bayad po kayo ng inyo pong $49.95 or maybe annual $139.95 bago po mag Friday 3 o'clock. So pag kayo po ang nauna, alam niyo mauuna po kayo sa power line. Ibig sabihin, kayo ang nakadikit doon sa upline po ninyo. Okay? So that's the power line approach. So yung rank qualification, I'm not going to explain it in detail. My suggestion is paki-screenshot niyo po ito. And my advice is bilisan po nating mag-bronze. Ibig sabihin, bilisan po nating makakuha ng 2 tao. Kasi diyan po tayo excited to build these 2 people to allow them na magkaroon din po sila ng 2. Kasi imaginein mo, what is the feeling na meron ka ng 2 and you earn $50. Imagine mo, yung $50 mo, bumalik puhunan ka na. Ngayon, kung nag-enroll ka ulit ng additional 2, naka $100 ka, let us say, nakaipon ka ng $100, you can upgrade to annual. Tama po ba? Tuloy-tuloy ka nag-i-enroll. Kumita ka na naman ulit ng additional $100. Bili ka na ng products. So, libre na po yun. So, that's the strategy. Kasi the more you build it continuously, the belief system becomes deeper. And the more you plug into the system, mas naiintindihan po natin yung business. So, do a screenshot on the rank qualifications. And we're done. 10 reasons bakit po kayo sasali sa amin. Wholesale prices on high-quality supplements. Nabanggit ko na po ito. Basahin ko na lamang po. Very affordable membership. We just discussed the lucrative affiliation program. The proven 2 who get 2 duplication model from Adam and Eve and to our parents. The global business opportunity, the first mover advantage. Imaginein mo, tayo po ay nag-uumpisa pa lang. The residual income and long-term stability, the done-for-you marketing system, and the trusted leadership of our corporate team. So, we're done. My question to you is, are you A, B, or C? So, saan po kayo dyan? So, go back to the person who invited you at sabi nga po natin dito, if we receive something of great value, it is our moral responsibility to share it to people. Napakaganda po ng Live Good na nakaka-guilty na hindi po natin yan i-share sa ibang tao. Na tayo po ay magiging channel of blessing, matulungan sila sa kalusugan, matulungan po sila sa kanila pong negosyo. So, we're actually done. Run ko na lang po ito para dun sa mga bago or maybe sa mga magsisimula pa lang. Maybe your question is, paano ko ba ito uumpisahan? Simple lang po. Define your why. Bakit mo gagawin ang Live Good? Look at your family. Because if your why is clear, your how to is easy. And be willing to learn. That is why we have this community called Soaring Eagles International. Ang puhunan lang po dito is humility. You need to be humble. You have to be teachable and coachable because growth starts with humility. So dito, ang maganda po dito, wala pong kurso na hinihingi para maging expert tayo sa network marketing. Importante lang po doon is maging hungry to learn tayo because the learning will comes first and then the earning will follow. And number 3 is follow direction and obey. Napaka-importante po ng coach, ng mentor. A lot of people failed in this kind of business because hindi po sila pinapalad ng coach. Wala pong nagko-coach, wala pong nag-guide, wala pong magturo kung ano. Minsan, sa kadalasan po, mas nauuna pa nawawala ang upline kaysa doon sa downline. Those are reality. At kailangan, importante po yun that we have to follow directions and obey. And it's good that you have mentors here in our family. And lastly is the taking massive action. Okay? Don't wait for motivation. Seasonal po ang motivation. Hindi lahat ng oras ganado po tayo. But we are going to move with discipline. And ang maganda po dito sa community natin, we're gonna be teaching you the right values. We're gonna be helping you on how you're gonna build and expand your container to become a better person of yours. And 2 types of people, again and again, ito lamang po ang hahanapin mo. Hindi lahat ng tao mag-yes po sa atin. Just look for these 2. Number 1, gusto ng produkto. Tingnan mo lang yung mga kamag-anak mo, mga pinsan mo, yung mga kaibigan mong may rayuma, may high blood. I-share nyo po sa kanila yung international pack. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi po sila bibili. Hello? People who want to become healthy and save money. Number 2, affiliate. Those who want to make extraordinary income. So, last but not the least, guys, no? Last but not the least, this is the magic. That if we are going to master these two, this is the ultimate secret. Number 1, master the art of GPS. You want to grow in this business, you have to exercise by heart, by faith, to do GPS. This is a business of modeling. Monkey see, monkey do. What your team sees in you duplicates. Kaya kung upline ka and naka-plug in ka, most likely you're gonna attract of who you are. So dito, ang mantra po natin is to teach the entire team na mag-get in, mag-plug in, mag-stay in. Kasi dito po tinuturo yung guided path to success. Dito po tayo nag-aaral. Dito tayo nagma-masterclass. Dito tayo nagtuturo ng tamang mindset, ng tamang skill sets, paano mag-prospect, paano mag-invite, mag-present, mag-follow up, mag-handle ng objection, mag-close. Grabe, yung strategy, ano bang gagawin? And all the things, no, that we need to understand in running this extraordinary business. And what else, no? Yung ating personality growth, yung ating pong leadership capacity. Dito po tayo tinuturuan through GPS. Paano kung hindi ka nag-GPS? Paano ka mag-grow? Do you got this? Maaring ikaw matalino ka, maalam ko na, networker ka na, or you've been in this industry for quite some time. Ikaw yun. So paano yung team mo? Saan sila magduduplicate? That is why it's important to have a community. A community na doon po tayo nag-aaral, nag-grow. And guys, the good thing is, nasa process na po tayo ng automation. We are heading to that, and you have nothing to worry because we will be having this learning of system of duplication na plug and play na lang po tayo. We will be having our record webinar. For editing na lang po ang ating webinar. Ayusin na lang, papacheck ko na lang po sa coach ko. So, and then deal na po tayo. Grabe po, no? So, that's GPS. And last but not the least is the power of two. This is our power of two strategy, the duplicatable growth. And lastly, the LGSEI mission statement, which is, allow me to read, to raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar, empowered by wellness, anchored in purpose, and equipped to duplicate abundance across nation. And the purpose of Soaring Eagles International is telling you that there is hope in Live Good, helping others pursue excellence. With that, guys, thank you so much. And Coach Vic, kinapos na ang aking lalamunan. Okay lang ba? Tulungan mo ako sa disclaimer. And we can now have our sharing. Coach Vic, kindly read the disclaimer. Thank you. Disclaimer lang po. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Coach V. Ito po yung disclaimer natin. The information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. So also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of $9.95 as a requirement to remain an active member of Live Good. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you so much, Coach Vic. And actually, we are already done. So palakpakan po natin yung napakaganda po nating presentation.